What's up, hungry family? My name is Mair. You're watching Mair Hungry YouTube channel. So yes, we are making Middle Eastern style delicious chicken breast kebabs in our air fryer. The cooking time will be not more than 15 minutes. The prep time will be around 5 minutes. 4 beautiful skinless chicken breast fillets. Once you get it from the market, one fillet, just cut it from the center and make big cubes out of it. Big means leave an inch space in between. So this is the perfect size we're looking for. Middle Eastern chicken kebab means we're gonna be flavoring it like really good. This delicious chicken breast will be tasty too. Once you cube out the meat, add it in your marinade bowl. All beautiful chunks. We are done with the chopping board. We will remove this from our way. Let's marinate these delicious chicken breast kebabs now. We'll use fresh garlic for this. At least 10 to 12 fresh cloves of garlic. They go in here. 30 grams of ginger. You want to remove the skin, you can, but it's all okay. They will be tender, they will be juicy, and they will have a char on it in air fryer. So you add 7 to 8 tablespoons of olive oil in here. Here you go. Let's blend this. Blend is ready. For the marinade, we will take 2 green chilies in here and give it another blend. This is the blend, it's ready. Now we will marinate this meat with some dry spices. Cumin powder for the 5 pound of the kebabs. We will take 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. This is grounded black pepper, half tablespoon of black pepper. Smoky paprika, 1 tablespoon of smoky paprika. We will take regular kosher salt, 1 tablespoon. Tenderizer, your meat to be tender, juicy, and flavorful. You're at the right spot. Please half tablespoon of the meat tenderizer. This is liquid smoke. It will give a smoky flavor. Please 2 tablespoons. Remember our blend. Garlic, ginger, and green chili, and half baking cup of the olive oil. This is yellow food color, a 1/4 tablespoon. Let me tell you about the main ingredients. Ginger, garlic, lemon, cumin, black pepper, smoky paprika, salt, and meat tenderizer, and of course olive oil. This is all you need. I made it a chef way. You know, a chef has to do work presentable. So that's what it is. Half of the lemon for the 5 pound of the chicken kebabs. Squeeze it on top. Add 2 tablespoons of yogurt to make the kebabs creamy as well. Now it's the moment. Just roughly mix everything up. Look at this. Looking so fine. It's beautifully ready. Wonderful marinade of Middle Eastern style chicken kebabs, chicken breast kebabs are ready. Let's put this guy in the fridge at least for 30 minutes. You know, so all this marinade kicks in. 30 minutes later, the marinade looks like this. Let's put them onto bamboo skewers. So make sure your bamboo skewers fit in your air fryer. First of all, you have to get it. If you get it longer, just cut it. That's what I did. 1 cube and make a skewer of chicken breast kebabs. I want to put at least 4 in one. Here you go. Let's add it here for now. Delicious meat is on the skewers. Let's turn on our air fryer. So I'm using air grill since I have the option. For the grill, you press the grill, it's at 500. The time is just on the safe side, 12 minutes. We'll turn it on and shut the lid. It's on the pre. Give me just 2 more minutes. Right, our air fryer is ready. Here you go. It's hot. One skewer, I'm just making 3 right now. The time says 12 minutes, right? The whole cooking time for this is 8 minutes. I just wanted to be on the safe side. So after 4 minutes, right here, when it says 8 minutes left, right, we will open and we'll flip our delicious Middle Eastern style chicken breast kebab in your air fryer. So it's been 4 minutes and here you go. Look at this beauty. So they cook evenly. Look at these chars on it. Fantastic. Close this and cook it for another 4 minutes. Then we will do a temperature check. So in the meantime, I'll make some garlic sauce which goes with it. You know, it's gonna taste so good together. It's gonna be with the green chilies, at least 4 of them, fresh cloves of garlic, at least 20 of them, half tablespoon of the salt, a spoon of olive oil, half cup of water. We will add 1 tablespoon of the yogurt in here. Just mix it well. 8 minutes at 500 degree in your air fryer. Let's do a temperature check. Look at our delicious, wow man. Let's do a temperature check. If it's over 165, they are ready. Yes sir, they are done. Juicy, tender, full of flavor, delicious, Middle Eastern style chicken breast kebabs are ready. You don't need nothing with it. You just need some grapes, some cucumbers, and the yogurt sauce, the garlic yogurt sauce. Enjoy this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I still have another batch to go and we will do a taste test in a minute. So this is the moment of truth. Let's do a taste test. Which one should I pick? This one, right? Look at all the juices it's coming out from here. Man, let's go with the first bite. Okay, you can make this recipe, trust me, in 30 minutes. And man, first bite. We are not ordering any food from any place. We are making these Middle Eastern chicken kebabs in air fryer. It's so good, man. Just 8 minutes. Tender, juicy, best flavoring ever. Look at this. And the sauce. This is the hungry bite. Here you go. And here you go.